Alright, welcome again to my tutorial video. Alright, today I want to show you guys one of the strategy that I normally use during every sections, and I use 15 minutes, the first 15 minutes. Let me just turn on this one. Alright, let's say, alright, let me just try to, you can see this is London. So I want to show you something real quick, but I will still try to, so do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that I can show you what I mean on this particular. You can use this indicator or you can use the price action. So but you need to just confirm the trend first on the daily. All right, on the either from the 1 hour. All right, the current from this particular level, you can see we are seeing a very nice, all right, the market is doing what, rally from, let's say the market. Let me just draw some simple one for you so that you can see how you can start trading with this level. You can see the market is respecting this level and even broke out the level so massively to upside down. All right, with this level. So right now, so let's go to 15-minute strategy. I told you. All right, 15-minute strategy. All right. You can see we have some support on this 15-minute time frame. The market really pumps drastically and even breakouts on this 15 minutes without even coming back. All right, so let's check another sample. All right, on this screen, this is 15 minutes. All right, drastically do what, support, and all right. So now, but I just want to draw some zone on the 15-minute time frame here. Let me look for one of the support zone on 15 minutes time frame. One of the support the market normally respects. All right, I will show you right now so that you can understand what I really mean. I want to bring out some 15 minutes time. You must make sure the market is doing what, the market is doing something we call right, the market is doing higher high, higher low. On this 15, you can see the market's around this level. The market is doing is respecting this level on the 15 minute. You can see this is a very clear support level. The market doesn't broke this level on 15 minute candle. Damn, you have already identified this particular level on your 15 minutes. I'm not showing you the current market condition though. I'm showing the past history, how the market is doing. Right now the market is coming down because the market has already pulled back. I've already pumped to the has already pumped today already. So on this 15, you can see the market respect this 15 minutes. So let's go to let's say 3 minutes or 5 minutes. Let's go to my 5 minutes, all right, or even 3 minutes. We are going to see what I'm trying to show you. All right, even on this 5 minutes, all right, you can use 1 minute, you can use 15 minutes, so it confirm it. Let's go to 1 minute, but 1 minute would be too volatile, but let's just stick to 5 minutes from these strategies. All right, so you can see right now a very clean strategy. I've already drawn my support on 15. This is my support on 15 minutes time frame. On the 15 minutes time frame, I've already drawn a very strong support level on my 15 minutes. So what I need to just be waiting right now is that I'll be waiting for pullback. All right, so now this is what the market do from this level. Let me show you a very clean, simple strategy. All right, the markets do something like this from this level, from this spike up hop, you can see, and the markets come and retest. This is where my entry, this is my point of interest. Then you can see the market just spike up to that level. You can see this is my point of interest on my, can you see the market spike up and come and retest my level. So that's my strategy I normally stick to. All right, so I will just try to take my long here. So I advise you to just stick to this particular strategy during the trading hours, London and all right. So after the markets, but you must identify the trend. The trend is uptrend already. So the markets come to this particular level, and I took my simple trade around after confirmation of. So I wait for this particular candle to form. on 5 minutes and I take my what, all right, and I take my trade. So just can you see the market rally from here, retest and pull back. So that's how you can be trading good. Wait for rally, then pull back and wait for confirmation, then you are good to go. With this strategy, I was able to make $1,800 with this strategy I discovered. So I don't normally rush. I normally wait for market to do what? To start, give me rally and pull. But let me show you the current market right now. On sell, you can see the market is start selling here. The market is start selling. This is what I want to show you for sell. All right, so the market drastically do what? Sell from this zone. All right, then we see some retests. You can see this is the retest, then continuation of what I just teach you right now. The market just come down. You can see the market just drastically all right, dump here, then wait for some retests at this level. All right, then this level can be some key level. If you want to just scalp, then you take your shots around this level. Okay, your short something around, put your entry after confirmation candle, then you can see take your TP. All right, so you have to make sure the market is doing what? Retests. All right, then take your what? Entry level and make your profit. So that is what the market is doing. Gold normally try to pull back a little bit before it starts coming down. So that is a strategy you can be using for gold. Whenever you are trading gold, wait for pullback, then wait for confirmation entry, then you pick your trade. Very simple strategy for gold. This is no any indicator, just candle confirmation. All right, let me even show you the candle confirmation you must master. Either let me show you some candle confirmation you must master as well. So always wait for rejection or bearish engulfing candle form before you can take any trade. All right, so after some candle, this is the candle here. The market come here and do what? Retest. All right, after this candle confirmation, I pick my trade and the market starts coming to my direction. You can see even all this one right here, the market do what here. You can see the market rally from this level to this level and pull back. I take my trade. All right, so you can see, and the market want to come and retest again this level. All right, if I want to even, but this one can be on Monday at times. This one can be on Monday. I'll be waiting for the market to come and retest this level. All right, as an example, because the market is still an uptrend. So so when the market come and retest this level again on the 15th, I'll just take the buy, but we need to have some confirmation first too. All right, so the market is coming near to the entry level. All right, but I'll wait for the market to come here again. All right, before I take a buy, because that is the next. All right, so you have to wait for it to come. You have to wait for confirmation around this level. All right, then the market give you confirmation, then you pick your trade and make your money. So that's how you can start trading gold. I normally wait for a very nice level confirmation, then I pick my trade. All right, but the market has not come to this zone yet. It's still at the middle. Don't trade at the middle. Make sure the market come to your zone first, but you must wait for confirmation candle 1 minute, either on 3 minutes, wherever. Let's say 3 minutes. It can give you also confirmation. You can see here, let me teach you one of the confirmation I normally do. I normally try to look at. You can see some, this is confirmation, either bullish engulfing, either you can see after confirmation form. Can you see this is a rejection? Let me show you this one. This is a very clean rejection. All right, this is a very clean rejection candle. All right, this is a very clean rejection. So this area you can also pick a trade after you see some levels. All right, after you see this is a very clean rejection, you can enter your trade around this level. Let me just show you. You can pick your trade here and you can see after confirmation, make sure you see confirmation, either rejection, bullish engulfing. All right, rejection candle, right? So you pick your trade and make your money. So that's how you can start doing good. Wait for rally and pull back, but you must confirm the trend on the higher time frame, either on 1 hour or other at 4 hours level. Then you start, even 1 hour is okay for you, or even depend, all right? Then you start trading like that. So thank you for watching the video. Do well. Can you see the market is doing uptrend around this, because you can be making a lot of money with this strategy. You can be making some money with this strategy if you know what you are doing, by waiting for confirmation to form. And I'm waiting for confirmation to come. I'm waiting for the market to come to this zone again before I can pick any trade. This zone, all right? The market has not come to that zone yet. We are still waiting. All right, when the market come to this zone again, we can see after confirmation, then we buy again. So thank you guys for watching the video. You can this is the recent spike here, all right? But we must wait for confirmation level. Then we, as I told you earlier, when the market come to this zone, I'll pick my trade and I'll target the next level of resistance. So that is how. But I want to wait for confirmation to come to the zone first before I can pick my trade. So thank you guys for watching the video. Do well to subscribe and like and share this video. My recommended broker is down below this video. You can register to use to start trading. And because I don't have time to be posting signal, but I will be teaching you guys the strategy I'm using so that you can start using it to make your money every single day on markets. Thank you guys for watching. Bye for now.